Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today that is about the domain. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to know that this one under the square root should be greater than number 0 and they cannot allow to equal to number 0. So we have 2x squared plus 5x minus number 3 should be greater than number 0. So if we calculate about this one, we can see that s should be smaller than negative number 3 and s should be greater than 1 over 2. And we need to write the answer in interval notation. So that should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.